Hi, this is Carlos from the EMAC Science Support Team, and today I'm going to walk you through on how to make an interactive Jupyter notebook. So we are on the resource submission page. This is where you fill in all of these cells to submit your resource. Scrolling on down to this cell right here, interactive Jupyter notebook tutorial link. So here we can provide a link for an interactive Jupyter notebook. So going over to mybinder.org, this is mybinder.org, here you can essentially import your GitHub repository, and mybinder.org will create a series of interactive Jupyter notebooks with whatever is in that GitHub repository. So as an example, we are going to use Sarah Blunt's GitHub. This is for Orbitize, which is a wonderful tool hosted on EMAC. All we're going to do is copy the URL. We're going to come over here and we're going to hit paste, and then this git ref cell, we will check what hers is set to. It's set to main, so we will type in main right here, and now we're going to hit launch. Now this got done pretty quickly because Sarah was nice enough to allow us to use Orbitize as an example here. So all you're going to do is hit this copy, and that copies the link. It also takes you to the link. You are going to go back to EMAC and you're just gonna paste your link right there. And to show you all what it will look like, this is what it will look like. So this is all of Sarah Blunt's GitHub. So if you come over here, sorry. As you can see, she has docs, Orbitize test, and then all of these .txt files. And then when we come over here to the My Binder link, same thing. Everything that she has in that GitHub repository is now here, and it all works. So we can look at some of her tests. We can look at the documents, tutorials, MCMC tutorial. Now, as you can see, all of her stuff is right here. One thing about mybinder.org is that this Jupyter Notebook environment that it opens up is not the same environment as you have on your home machine. So if your program has some dependencies, make sure to code that into the notebook, or to have some sort of warning for the user, because it will say so-and-so package is not installed, but you can simply pip install it, and then you can get to work. Now, how will it look on the EMAC homepage? So we're here on the EMAC homepage, and we're gonna go to Orbitize. We're going to go to Orbitize. Here it is. And as you can see, here is the Jupyter button. You click it, and it will take you to mybinder.org. As this loads, it will eventually go into something like this. So yeah, really simple. This is going to be super useful. We are very excited to get this up and going. And if you guys have any questions, make sure to email us or hit us up on Twitter or YouTube. Yeah, thank you, and have a great day.